Welcome. Today we will learn about the word against. This word is very useful and we use it every day. Let's discover what it means together. The word against has many meanings. It can mean touching something. It can mean opposite. It can mean not agreeing. Let's look at each meaning carefully. First, against can mean touching. When something is against another thing, they are touching each other. Imagine a ball rolling and stopping when it touches a wall. The ball is now against the wall. Here is an example. The chair is against the wall. This means the chair is touching the wall. They are next to each other with no space between them. Against can also mean opposite or opposing. When two things are against each other, they are pushing in different directions. Think of two children pushing each other gently during a game. Here is another example. The team plays against their rivals. This means the team competes with another team. They are opponents in the game. Against can mean not agreeing with something. When you are against an idea, you do not like it. You think it is not good. For example, she is against the idea. This means she does not agree. She thinks the idea is wrong or bad. Against can also mean protection. When something protects against danger, it keeps you safe. An umbrella protects you from rain. Here is an example. The umbrella protects against rain. The rain cannot touch you because the umbrella blocks it. We can use against when comparing things. When we compare one thing against another, we look at the differences between them. For example, compare this year against last year. We look at what changed. We see what is different now. Against is used with rules and laws. When something is against the rules, it is not allowed. It breaks the law. For example, it is against the rules to cheat. If you cheat, you are doing something wrong. You are breaking the rules. In sports, we use against all the time. Players compete against each other. They try to win. For example, he runs against many others in the race. He competes with other runners. They all want to finish first. Against can show disagreement or conflict. When people are against each other, they do not agree. They may argue or fight. For example, they are against each other in the debate. They have different opinions. They are on opposite sides. Against also means protection from danger. A fence protects against wild animals. It keeps them away from your home. For example, the fence protects against animals entering the garden. The animals cannot get inside because the fence blocks them. There are many common phrases with against. We say against the wind when walking in strong wind. We say against time when we hurry. We say against the law when something is illegal. We say against all odds when something is very difficult but we still try. We use against in many sentences. The ball is against the door. She is against the plan. They play against each other. These sentences show different meanings of the word. We see against in everyday life. A bike leans against a tree. Children compete against friends. An umbrella protects against rain. The word is everywhere. Remember, against means contact or opposition. It can mean touching something or being opposite to something. Both meanings are important. The word against helps us describe many things. We use it for sports, rules, protection, and comparison. It is a very useful word. Now you know what against means. You can use it when you speak and write. Practice using this word every day. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep learning new words with us. Remember to use against in your daily conversations. It will help you speak better English. You are doing great. Explore more words with Wordscience. We have many lessons to help you learn. Visit our channel for more exciting lessons. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Wordscience for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video.